Hey, guess what, man? This girl here grew up so fast. I cannot believe she's in high school already. Good student, good girl. Hey, but who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, Big Shaka. Yes, the one.
Welcome to the Man and the Pan. It's 2022. No, people didn't pound too much mochi and because of social gathering. So a lot of them bought the store mochi. And inside of these mochi, there's all these small mochi that you can do really amazing, wonderful things with. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of make some fried mochi. So in each mochi there's a lot of these small cubes in here. So you can kind of like slice it down.
Slice it in thin slice about 1/8 inch.
Slice it down just like that, right? Or you can even grate it.
If sliced to 1/8 inch, it's recommended to dry it for 5 to 7 days so it becomes crispy.
Comes out just like this, thin slice, yeah?
I use the grater to slice it about 1/16 inch so you can eat it right away and it'll be crispy.
What people recommend is you have these slices and you dry it out for like 7 days. But the man in the pan, I ain't gonna wait no 7 days. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna deep fry it. Turn on the stove, put them on about medium heat, and wait till it becomes smoking hot. See, I use a metal chopstick for it, or you could use like waribashi, something you could throw away. So I used a regular chopstick and I burnt the top and so I kind of careful now. Okay, so I think it's not hot enough.
As we wait, the kazari mochi is usually decorated with leaves, orange, seaweed, dried persimmon, and other ornaments. Each item symbolizes a sort of quality such as long life, purity, honesty, good fortune, fertility, and abundance. This symbol varies in different regions of Japan.
Well, I think it's ready. It's hot. So I'm going to dump in some of the mochi. For me, I hate to use too much oil, so I gotta kind of like work at it and flip it back and forth. But if you deep fry it, you just put it in the oil, the thing will just float and it's easy to flip around. So I think it's almost there. See? I think it looks really good already. Put it on in a dish with a hand towel, just like that. Okay. This is how it looks, just like this, fried mochi. Oh, amazing, right? The thing looks good, but you know what I'm gonna season it, okay? So I have seasoned some of the mochi. Okay, let me taste. That I made with the furikake. I made with the salt, just pure salt. The one with the sugar. Garlic salt. Now, this mochi thing is made to eat right away. I'm gonna put it back in a toaster oven and make it crispy again when it gets soggy. Hot, hot, hot. So until next time, we'll see you on Man in the Pan. We'll see you. Aloha.